Hi Weber fans, so today I'm going to be showing you my top 3 accessories you need to up your game with the Weber Q. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. So don't forget everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Now whether you've bought a Weber Q, a family Q or even the baby Q, there's some great accessories you can get to up your game with your Q. Now the Weber Q, in my opinion, is the most versatile barbecue out there. There's a variety of ways you can cook with it, and it's the easiest way to learn how to cook with the Weber barbecue brand. Now with the Weber Q, straight out the box, you can cook straight on the grill. You can get some awesome cooks off it. First up, you could start with a nice sausage sizzle, and the flavours you get with those sausage sizzles are amazing, and you can even use it for tailgating on those day trips out. Also, you can get those nice flame grilled burgers going and get all that smoke enhanced into those burgers. And if you're a lover of sweet corn like me, there's no better way to cook that sweet corn than on your Weber Q to get all that caramelisation. And if you're looking for the perfect steak, there's no better way to do it than on your Weber barbecue. You can see some amazing cooks you can do straight out of the box. So let's dive in and look at my top 3 accessories. Well, so the first accessory we're going to talk about is the flat plate. Now this flat plate or breakfast plate is a fantastic addition. What you can do with your Weber Q is you can just split the plates. They are split plates in there, and you can slot this straight in. Once that flat plate's in there, there's nothing holding you back. Preheat it for around 10 minutes and then just put a nice knob of butter on there. Now you can cook your bacon straight on the grill or on the flat plate. As well as that, you can do an awesome breakfast with some nice French toast just by soaking it in some egg and some cinnamon and then putting it straight on that flat plate and crisping it up. And finish that awesome breakfast off with some maple syrup drizzled over that bacon and French toast. The kids will love you for it. With that flat plate, the recipes are endless. And the next accessory I highly recommend is the Weber Trivet. Once you've practiced using your Weber grill, you're going to want to up your game. You're going to want to get some nice roasts on there. So if you do a nice roast beef, roast lamb, or even a nice roast pork with that awesome crackle, the Weber Trivet is the way to go. As well as that, you can do some bakes on there. We're doing a nice potato bake for the whole family, or whether you want to cook some bread on there, the Weber Trivet is an awesome product for that. So once you've got the Weber Trivet, there's one more thing I recommend, and that is the Weber Pizza Stone. The kids will love it. You can cook your pizzas with ready-made bases in under 10 minutes, and if it's a homemade base, it's around 15 minutes. But it's a fantastic way to up your skills on the Weber Q. Right now, don't forget everything you used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Now that video showed my 3 favourite accessories. Now these are ideal if you want to give somebody a present or if you've bought a Q yourself to open up your Q so you can do a lot more recipes and a lot more cooks. You see from that Weber Pizza Stone, it opens a lot more avenues for cooking your pizzas. You can even do bread on it. And as for the flat plate, you've got a lot more recipes you can do. A lot of people like cooking on the flat plate as well. So there is that advantage for people that don't want to do the steaks straight on the grill. You can put them on the flat plate. I'm not a fan of that. I do find there is a lot more flavour and a lot more smokiness if you put them straight on the grill. And the Trivet opens with a lot more avenues. If you want to do your roasts or baking, it opens a lot more recipes that you can do by using the Trivet. Now if you haven't got convection trays, you can use double tinfoil below that, and I will put an icon above linking to a video I've done that demonstrating how to use the tinfoil and how to cut it correctly. If those are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any good episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Now this flat plate or breakfast plate, and there's no better way to show off those barbecue skills by cooking the perfect pork roast and there's no better way to show off those barbecue skills by cooking the perfect pork roast with beautiful crackle.